Hello my hair warriors, it's me, Aaron O'Brien, and this video is sponsored by Lordhair.com. Today's video is about going grey. Yes, using Lordhair's amazing grey hair systems. I'm a little bit nervous because I like my blonde and I don't want to go grey, but sometimes you have to accept it and just try it out, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. Let's get going. Okay, I'm ready to go grey and it's in this box. I'm very excited to open and have a little look. Woo. Here we go. What? Wow. I love this. This is fantastic. This is the Neo, and I love the Neo. It's my tried and true. The Neo has this beautiful skin perimeter. It also has this HD hairline and lace in the front, but also lace in the middle. It's super breathable and it's great for summer months too. It's an all year rounder. The hair itself feels absolutely fantastic. And the grey in here is actually synthetic. So this is a mix of human hair and synthetic hair. The synthetic hair styles and acts just like human hair, and it lasts really long and has a super realistic look, just like human hair. I can't wait to get this on. Just to note, the color of this is a 530. The 5 meaning medium brown, and the 30 stands for the percentage of grey. This is 30% grey, which is perfect for me because naturally I'm 30% grey too. I've just never shown it before. What's great about the grey hair being synthetic is that when you colour your hair system, the grey will remain grey, so it won't affect the rest of the system. Okay, I'm gonna get this put on my mannequin, cut this system and get it on my head. It's time to get this system off and the next system on. Here we go. Oh, it's coming off already. This really needs to be changed. While the weather gets hotter, my scalp gets oilier. Okay, so to remove the system, if you get any snags, if it's not peeling off, I use my C22. I'm gonna spray it on. And always lean your head back because the last thing you want is a solvent in your eyes. So put your head back, spray, and let the solvent work backwards. Then you use circular motions and start to massage the product in, and it simply comes off really quickly. There's something very satisfying when taking a hair system off. It feels really good just to have a little bit of air hit the scalp. That's why I usually change my system every 2-3 weeks now. And there's less sensitivity on the scalp. Once the system's removed, I like to use a little bit more of the C22. Spray it on and just massage in to remove any excess glue. Once I've rubbed the product in, I'm gonna take a towel and then massage in as well. This is gonna help remove any product. Woo, it feels so good. I like my towels to have a little bit of texture when removing. This helps to create more like an exfoliant when you're rubbing your C22 in, and it's better for removal. Just make sure your towels aren't too fluffy because you don't want anything else sticking to the scalp and making it harder to remove. Okay, that scalp feels squeaky clean. Now it's time to get shaving. Now we're gonna start shaving. I have my peanut ready. This is absolutely fantastic. Gets nice and close to the scalp. So close I can even use my foil razor afterwards, but we're gonna start with this. Now we have our foil shaver to get that really close shave. And it's really important for adhesion that you get as close as possible when you're shaving your head. Okay, let's go wash my scalp. Now my hair is washed and clean, I'm gonna spray some alcohol. Alcohol is great to remove any extra residue and will help your system stick even better. So I like to use a spray bottle, I spritz it on, put your head back, make sure that you don't get any drips in your eyes, and you just rub it in. Now you will feel a little bit of a sting or a little bit of irritation, but don't worry, that just means it's working. That's gonna take about 30 seconds to dry down. Fan with your hands, use a hairdryer, or just let it dry naturally. Finally, we have the skin prep. This creates a barrier between your scalp and the hair system. So for oil breaking down the glue, this will help prevent that and your system will last longer. We're gonna spray it on the scalp, it lies for about 30 seconds, dries in, and then you're ready to get your hair system on. You can spray one layer, let this dry down, and you can spray a second layer if you like for added protection. I'm so excited, my scalp is clean, I have my grey hair system here and ready to go on. Here we go. Ooh, I really like it. This looks so good. Now, I will say that I was feeling a little nervous about this and having grey in my hair, but I think it's important to embrace the grey. And if you do have grey hair, this is a great opportunity for you to be able to try something different and to have a system that will last longer, will blend better, and it just looks so good. The blending in this is absolutely perfect. So not only does this blend really well, but it's evenly distributed throughout the hair. It also is knotted in and it is high quality. This looks absolutely fantastic. I'm very excited. But you should just have the confidence to be able to do and wear something like this. If you're second guessing it, I don't think you should. Like once I put this on my head and I can see it in real life, I don't look any older, I think I just look like me. Having grey makes this look super realistic. People will not even guess. When you think about it, people will see grey in your hair and they'll automatically think, oh, a hair system with grey hair? They'll think it's your natural hair, and that's what's great about this type of colouring. And I know you're going to ask me, can the grey be styled with heat? Yes, it can, and it will style just like the human hair too. So let's get this styled. Okay, so with the grey hair, I want to have a little bit more of a sophisticated look. So with this, I blow dried it down slightly into the side, but I give a little bit of lift at the front. But to add a little bit more sophistication, I like to use a bit of this, and this is the paste. It's a very moldable, lightweight paste that is perfect for hair systems. Make sure you spread it nice and evenly on the hands, and then we're going to place it into my hair system. When you're placing it in, do not pull and drag on the hair, just gently place on the top and move it through. I avoid placing product directly onto the roots because I don't like it to pull, and I feel like this makes my systems last that little bit longer when I decide to do so. I also concentrate on putting product on the sides of my hair to give it a little bit more texture when I move it forward, and then I start to piece it out. So what I mean by piecing it out, it's creating more texture. So I take a small pea size of product, rub it in between my fingers, and then I start to twist and style the hair. Now, when you're looking for a more sophisticated look, you're going to ask me, what is sophisticated? Sophisticated is where there's more smoothness to the hairstyle. It's not overly textured, it's not spiked too much, it's an overall smooth and elegant appearance. But we want to keep this a little bit more modern, so that's why I create a little bit more texture with my fingers. I'm bringing the hair down a little bit and giving a little bit of height in the front. So if you're wearing a suit, a shirt, or anything along the lines of that, this hairstyle will work really well while staying on trend, no matter what color your hair is or the percentage of grey that you have. But I think this looks fantastic. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'm absolutely in love with this. If you're sitting at home and thinking about going grey, do this. This is amazing, super realistic, and I really think you'll love it. If you have any questions, put it in the comments below, click the link, and I hope to see you all very soon. Bye!